Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosine 3x squared plus sine 3x squared equals to number 1. Because we have sine 3x squared in here, so I can put cosine 3x squared go to the right. And we have 1 minus cosine 3x squared. Next, we need to change sine 3x squared into this one. Now, we have 1 divided by cosine 3x and cosine 3x squared divided by cosine 3x. This one we can change into secant of 3x. The integration of secant of 3x, we have 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of secant of 3x plus tan 3x. This one we have 1 over 3 sine 3x and we put about c. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.